Today we're diving into SheetBot AI, the newest AI software that's making waves right now. Whether you're a business owner, digital marketer, or simply someone interested in the latest tools to streamline your work, you'll want to stick around for this. I'm about to show you 7 crucial things you need to know about SheetBot AI, and trust me, you don't want to miss these insights. First off, SheetBot AI is a tool designed to make managing data in spreadsheets more intuitive and automated than ever before. If you've ever spent hours manipulating data in a Google Sheet or Excel, this software could be a total game changer for you. But what exactly makes it stand out from the crowd? One of the key features of SheetBot AI is its ability to automatically clean and organize data. This means no more spending endless hours fixing formatting issues, eliminating duplicates, or correcting errors. The software's AI engine works in the background, cleaning your spreadsheets in seconds. Imagine having all that saved time back in your day. It's a huge productivity boost. Another standout feature is its AI-powered analysis capabilities. SheetBot AI doesn't just help with the organization, but it can actually analyze your data to provide insights. Whether you're looking for trends, anomalies, or key insights that could guide business decisions, SheetBot AI has got you covered. It takes raw data and turns it into actionable intelligence, all at the click of a button. Speaking of ease of use, SheetBot AI is designed with user experience in mind. Even if you've never worked with AI tools before, you'll find this software intuitive and easy to navigate. It integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets and Excel, so you don't need to worry about learning new interfaces or transferring your existing files. Just connect it, and you're good to go. One of the biggest reasons I'm excited about SheetBot AI is its scalability. Whether you're managing a small project or handling large datasets, this tool adapts to your needs. It works just as well for a solo entrepreneur as it does for large enterprises. And if you have a team, you'll appreciate the collaboration features that allow multiple users to access and work on the same sheet simultaneously. Another important thing to mention is the level of customization available. SheetBot AI allows you to set specific triggers for actions, whether it's sending email alerts, updating cells based on certain conditions, or even automating the creation of reports. You can tailor the tool to your exact workflow, which is ideal for anyone with a unique process or set of tasks. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how does this compare to other tools? The truth is, while there are plenty of spreadsheet automation tools out there, SheetBot AI takes it a step further with its smart analytics and clean, user-friendly interface. Most tools require you to do the legwork, but with SheetBot AI, it's working for you, not the other way around. And here's the best part. You can try SheetBot AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. So if you're skeptical about the hype, why not give it a shot and see how it can save you time and boost your productivity? Before I wrap up, I want to mention that after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended software in the description, all of which you can try for free. If you're looking for the best AI software on the market right now, SheetBot AI definitely belongs in the conversation. To sum up, SheetBot AI is a must-try for anyone looking to streamline their data handling and analysis. Whether you're just starting out or running a large team, this tool offers smart, scalable solutions that save time and increase efficiency. Don't miss out on this one. Try it for free today and see what it can do for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.